Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we discuss 7th class assignment number 2 based on the topic unit 1 reading B and C. Okay, so first question what we have given, read the following passage from the New Blue Dress. This is C reading the New Blue Dress. Okay, we have given a passage. I think you have read the passage, right? Let us move to the questions. So now choose the answers from the following questions. Gates Avenue is the name of a dash. What is that? Is it not a village? It is not a country. It is not a town. It is a street. Okay, next. Moving to the next question. Why did Gates Avenue look so longer? Because it was clean? No. Okay. Because it was narrow? No. Because it was long? No. Because it was dirty and ugly. Next question. How are the people of Gates Avenue? How are the people? They are not great. They are not rich. They are not middle class. They are poor. Next question. Moving to the fourth question. Why was Gates Avenue so noisy? Because there were factories? No. Because there were function halls? No. Because there was a market? No. Because there was a railroad. Next is, why did the girl from Gates Avenue used to wear the same dirty dress? Because she was fond of it? No. Because it was her uniform? No. Because she used to play in the dirt? No. It is B, because she had only one dress. Okay. Moving to the second bit is, you have read the poem The Country Child, in which the child wished to live in a town to see the busy streets and find friends. Now imagine if you find many friends in the country itself, what would be your feelings? Write in the form of a description. Right? Now using the following hints, they have given you hints. The Country Child is a poem second part, the town child and the country child. Okay, now this child is living in a country. Okay, now he wished to live in a town to see the busy streets and find friends. Now imagine, now you are a country child. Imagine yourself and write a description. Now your feelings using some hints. Name of the friends, games you wish to play. You would you still wish to go to the country? And any special activities with your friends. So these are the hints you have to use and write a description. Right? Now let us see the indicators of description. Okay? Follow the assessment indicators of description. Creating vivid images. Using variety of sentence forms. Proper sequencing of ideas. Next is giving personal reflections on the event or persons. Your personal reflection is must. Next, using appropriate cohesive devices such as pronouns, connectives, etc. Pronouns which we use instead of noun, and connectives, conjunctions, as well as on the other hand, okay, but, and, so, yet, either or, neither nor, all these, etc. Right? Using syntactically well-formed constructions. Using proper word forms like tense, aspects, PNG. PNG is nothing but person, number, N for number, and G for gender. Agreement markers. Okay, using proper word forms means subject verb agreement. Okay, tense, agreed, agreement. Next aspects, PNG, agreement, markers, affixes. Maintaining conventions of writing, those are spellings and capital letters. Now maintaining conventions of writing, punctuation. By this we have completed today's assignment. Meet you in the next assignment. Till then, good. Have a nice day. Thank you all.